Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, I will show you how to download Among Us on your Windows computer. It's one of the most popular games ever created. It's one of my favorite games. Well, that also means there are many malicious people trying to scam you with it. Rest assured, you can play this game comfortably knowing you will have no problems. Let's get started. The first thing to do is open your browser. Whether it's Google Chrome, Firefox, Firefox, or Edge, it doesn't matter. And type download Epic Games, because we need an installer to download Among Us. You click on the first result here, and you will find an icon like this that says download Epic Games. Click on it, and it will automatically start downloading the installer. This is not the application itself, it is the installer. Once finished, you will see an icon like this. It will be on your downloads page, but I moved it to the desktop for you. So you can see it. We double click on it, and we will be greeted with an installer. In my case, I'm not going to continue because I already have the installer installed on my computer, so I can't install it twice. Speed. And once completed, you will have the Epic Games launcher installed as you see. I already have an account created, so I logged in automatically in your case. You may need to create a new account if you don't have one, but that's another minute. You put your name, you enter your email, all those basic things, and it will create an account for free. And well, finally, if you want to download Among Us, you have to come here to the search bar and type Among Us. We click here to access the Among Us page, as you can see. I already have it in my library in your case. It will say buy or download, which is actually the reason why I didn't tell you to get it on Steam, because on Steam, as you can see, it is double of the price for $49. Well, we click on buy, then you will have to click on download. And once you have downloaded it, it will be in your library. Then you just need to click on it to play. If you have any questions about this video or requests for other games that you want me to download and show you how to do it, feel free to let me know in the comments. I would be happy to fulfill them. These requests, by the way, I'm sure many of you will be tempted to try getting it for free. But my friends, it's an online game, so I would be very careful, as I said. Early, there is one with very annoying links last year. I almost had all my money stolen from my bank account because I tried to download a program for free. It's like a quarter of a Starbucks coffee. So come on, just pay the $2 and you won't have any more problems. You will be able to play the full version comfortably. So yes, that's my advice. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Yeah.